English idiom: a penny for the guy. On the 5th of November, people in the United Kingdom celebrate Bonfire Night. This holiday is also called Fawkes Night and Firework Night. In 1605, a man called Guy Fawkes was a member of a secret society in London. At that time, James I was a king of London. He was a Protestant. Guy Fawkes was Catholic. The main goal of this secret society was to replace the Protestant king with a Catholic one. On the 5th of November, he went to the Houses of Parliament with a purpose: to set off an explosion. They were preparing for this day for months. The plan was to kill the king and set the whole House of Parliament on fire. But he was caught and arrested. A month later, he was executed. Since that day, people celebrate the 5th of November with fireworks, as a reminder of the survival of the House of Parliament and the King James I. Kids are made effigies of Guy Fawkes, which are burnt on the fire on the Bonfire Night. A week or two before the 5th of November, kids were running on the streets of London and screaming, "A penny for a guy!" In that way, they were collecting money for fireworks.